Hello and welcome. For our next project we were working on is the action verbs. So for the action verbs is we want to target the early childhood, small children. So basically is to make it engaging and interactive tool. We must have a picture and they must identify that is it an verb, and it is a verb, but they must identify which is the name. So what we did is, for example, it's in the project folder. And it's in an early childhood quiz. What we did was to create this action verb quiz. We got this picture, and now this picture represents different types of action, as you can see here has been displayed. So what we want to do is we want a question, and then we want the students to identify which picture represents that word, and that word is that action. So here is the finished product of this small idea that we were trying to build. The project is in a HTML, so it can be opened in any browser, or it can be hosted through the internet or offline, and you can use a normal browser. So here's the finished product. Hello and welcome to Action Verb Quiz. So this is just a small introduction, introducing to the kids that hello kids, welcome to the Action Verb Quiz. And when they want to begin with this small quiz now, they will just have to click the start button. As you can see, I'm just gonna click the start button now. Which picture represents the action climb? So the question says which picture represents the action climb? So the kids will have to select which option. Is it this one, or does this represent climb, or does this represent climb? So the children will just look at the pictures and select which picture best represents climb. So this looks like climb. Let's click submit. Okay, correct. Let's proceed on. Which picture represents the action kick? Okay, this picture looks like a kick, the bird kicking the ball, so that might be a kick. Correct, let's just proceed. As you can see, there are a total of 2 questions out of 10, so there are 10 questions here, so we'll just complete this. Which picture represents the action swim? Okay, this looks like swim. Submit. Correct, let's continue. Which picture represents the action fly? Okay, this looks like fly. Which picture represents the action crawl? This looks like crawl. Which picture represents the action punch? This looks like punch. Correct. Which picture represents the action hit? This looks like hit. Which picture represents the action lean? This looks like lean. Which picture represents the action carry? This looks like carry. The bird is carrying something. Which picture represents the action sit? This picture looks like a sit because the bird is sitting on top of a chair, so let's sit. Correct. Now we have completed our activity, the 10 exercise quiz. Now we can click to view our results. Congratulations, you passed. So at the end we can add feedbacks like congratulations, you passed, or you did not pass, or your passing score is. So in that way it motivates the students. If they didn't perform well, they can always re-attend the quiz again. So they have it, a small demonstration of a activity that we use this picture for the action verb and create a very interactive quiz with the kids. Thank you and goodbye.